Arroz Español con Marisco. This is Spanish rice with seafood from Spain. And this is not paella because I'm going to cook this like traditional rice by preparing this sofrito from scratch, Spanish sofrito. Look at this color. Isn't that beautiful? Let's create. This is not a paella. This is rice with seafood. Not paella seafood, but rice with seafood. Big difference is that I'm going to be creating a Spanish sofrito. And that stuff takes a little bit of time. But I'm going to use my paella pan. Doesn't matter. Let me put some salt here. Sprinkle it. Sea salt. I have this at medium high for now. Let me put some oil. About a tablespoon. And I'm going to start creating that sofrito. Creating this sofrito. In essence, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to use onions. I chop an onion. And I also chop red bell pepper and some green pepper, sweet. Now I'm going to be using also some garlic and tomato, grated tomato, or could go with tomato paste. But this part is what I'm going to create first before I add those ingredients. Let me reduce it to medium. Couple notches above medium is that. And I'm going to let this baby cook for about 20 minutes. Slow cook. Let me reduce a little bit more. 20 minutes, okay? Stir from time to time. It's about 17, maybe 20 minutes later. Some garlic. Smash, chop, add it. Now, some people might go with 2 or 3 teeth. I'm going with several, maybe 5 or 6. And you don't want it to burn, so you're going to cook it for about a minute, okay? Just to get that stuff mixed. Then you can add a grated tomato. If you don't have grated tomato, you can put some tomato paste too, okay? Tablespoon. I put both, doesn't matter. One could have been sufficient. But I went, grated tomato or tomato paste, it doesn't matter. One or the other. Mix it up. And you're going to let this go, I say, for about 8 minutes, okay? Okay? Look at the sofrito. Spanish sofrito. So I have some shrimp. These are babies. These babies are big. Let me increase the heat to a couple notches above medium. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this shrimp kind of ready on this side. And I have some other seafood here. We're talking about clam meat, mussel meat, squid. I'm going to add on this side, okay? Add that meat. When I do that, on top of the sofrito, I'm going to put some smoked paprika, about a tablespoon, okay? So I went generous. That's going to help with the color. And I'm going to let this shrimp cook here. seafood there. You know, for 2 or 3 minutes, maybe no more than 4. See, when the shrimp start changing colors and stuff, you go to the next step, okay? Just getting those colors and some of that heat there, okay? Couple notches above medium. About 3, maybe 4 minutes later, I'm going to start mixing the sofrito with the seafood. Look at this, baby. And I have some artichokes. I'm going to add a couple of hearts. Mix it up. If you want some vegetables, that's up to you. You know, like cauliflower, that would work. But let me mix this first. Medium heat, couple notches above medium. So I have some bomba rice, about a cup and a quarter, which means I'm going to have about 2.5 to 2 3/4 cups of water, which I'm going to add now. Look at this color. Look at this tinta, a esta tinta. Going to hit the heat to medium high, maybe high. I'm going to let this baby heat up a little bit, but first I'm going to put a few strings of saffron, okay? A little bit generous here too. You don't need a lot. Spanish saffron, but you can go with any type. Could be Persian. Could be Afghani. I'm going Spanish. So I'm going to let this heat up for about 5 minutes, okay? 3 or 5 minutes later, simmering, I'm going to start adding the rice. Slowly, going from the outside to the inside. Bomba rice. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of distribute it around a little bit, like this. And I'm going to let it go for about 3 or 4 minutes before turn the heat to medium, okay? So about 3 or 4 minutes. Let it boil a little bit. You're not going to touch it anymore, okay? Just leave it alone. So about 5 minutes later, let me reduce the heat to medium, okay? For now. And I like to put aluminum foil. And the reason I do that is because I'm going to maximize the steam, okay? So the steam stay in there cooking, okay? Let me take a quick look. Ah, it's getting there. It's getting there. Look at this baby. Need a little bit more. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some lemons. Yep. Let's put some lemons, okay? And once I do that, I'm going to cover it again and let it go for about maybe 5 minutes at low heat. Very low heat, okay? Cover it again. Oh, look at this, baby. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this, baby. Here we have it. Look at this, baby. Look at this, baby. Squeeze a little bit of lemon on it, too. Oh, yeah.